Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all will be fine in the present situation. Today we will do unit number 4, lesson number 3 from page 20. Listen the story. I'll give a pause after the sentences. You have to read it after me. After listening, we will do its difficult words, sentence making, one word substitution, and will answer the questions given at the end. Now listen the story carefully. Okay, this is about the animal news, a newspaper article. Watch out, there is a thief about. The article is published on Thursday, 12 September. The people of Eston were worried because they think there is a thief in their town. Mr. Baker, who lives at number 11 Broad Street, said, on Monday evening, when I came back from work, I put my watch on the table next to the bedroom window. While I was in the shower, the watch disappeared. I couldn't find it anywhere. Mrs. Starlet, who lives at number 20, explained, on Tuesday evening, I put my diamond necklace on the table in my bedroom. Then I went to sleep. The next morning, it wasn't there anymore. Miss Parker, who lives at number 12, told us one Wednesday evening after work I left my car keys on the kitchen table. Then I watched TV. An hour later, the keys were gone. The funny thing is, the thief took the keys but didn't take my car. I can't understand it. Grace Farmer, who is 11 years old, lives at number 19 with her parents, said, on Thursday, I came home from my school. I took off my hairband and put it on the desk in my bedroom. Then I went swimming. When I came home, my hairband was gone. Everybody in Broad Street is asking questions about the thief. Is it one person or is it a team? Does the thief steal things at night? Can the thief climb in through can the thief climb in through bedroom windows? Is the thief tall or short? If anybody sees anything suspicious, they should call the Aston police immediately on 764309. Now come to the next reading. The Broad Street thief is still around. The people in Broad Street have found the thief, but the police cannot catch him. Dan Bate told his story to our reporter. I was playing football near the empty house in Broad Street with my friend, Dave Briggs. We were using the door of the garage as our goal. Dave kicked the football too high. It landed on the flat roof of the garage, and a big magpie flew away. I climbed up the apple tree next to the garage and onto the roof to get the football. It was next to the magpie's nest. In the nest there were 2 eggs and some other things, including a necklace and a watch. I was very surprised. So I went and told my dad. He came and collected the things from the nest. Then he called the police. A zookeeper explained to our reporter, magpies love bright things. They often collect them from their nest. The police told our reporter, we have given all the things back, but people must be careful. They mustn't leave bright things next to open windows. The problem is, this is one thief we can't catch. You have listened the story. Now let's see the dictation words. Spring, break, snacks, specially, camera, suspicious, surprised, disappeared, cup, steal. Now here is a list of words with their part of speech and their meaning. The first word is canoe. It's a noun. The meaning is light, narrow boat for one or two people. Next comes cub, a noun, baby of a lion. The next word is steal, a verb, to take something without permission. Next word is suspicious, adjective, having a doubt. The next word is worry. This is also an adjective meaning upset. Now let's make the sentences. Okay, the first word is disappear. The black mouse disappears in the jungle. Okay, I'll make one sentence for you and you have to make two sentences. Okay, one uh, by yourself. Discovered. I discovered my lost key in my cupboard. Surprised. I was surprised when I saw a fairy in my room. Bright. Sarah, the bright girl of our class, won the competition. Empty. The jar is empty. Now come to one word substitution, one word for a sentence. A black and white bird with a long tail. You have, I think you have listened it in the story and you can tell me the name. Okay, let's guess. The name is Magpie. The next sentence is a clip that is used to fasten a girl's hair. Of course, it's a hairband. A pipe that carries water into a drain from a roof. The answer is drain pipe. Okay, the next activity is to answer the question, our comprehension activity. The first question is, what did the thief steal? What did the thief steal? The thief stole a watch, diamond necklace, the keys, and a hairband. Who found the stolen things? Dan Bate found the stolen things. Why can't the police catch the thief? The police cannot catch the thief because the thief was a bird. Which bird was a thief? A magpie was a thief. Okay, thank you very much, students. Now you have to do this work on your English text copies and you have to send it on your WhatsApp group. Don't forget to write your name at the top right corner and date and day. Thank you very much.